Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem. Yahweh Shai Bahashem Wakakadash. In the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, and name of Mashiach Kamashai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Dalash Wakadash Lotam. And I say Barakathon to the elders and apostles, or Akim, I say Shalom. This is a sit-down lesson of the latest of our earthquakes in diverse places as of June the 29th, 2025 on this Sunday night. And this is from the latest earthquakes from earthquake.usgs.gov. And you had a 4.7 earthquake recorded 37 kilometers east of northeast of Jerome of Afghanistan. Then you had a 3.5 earthquake recorded 92 kilometers north of northeast of Dominican Republic. Then you had a 4.5 earthquake in Carlsberg Ridge region. Then you had a 2.6 earthquake recorded 5 kilometers south of Puerto Rico. 4.5 earthquake recorded in Carlsberg Ridge. 4.5 earthquake recorded south of the Fuji Islands. 2.9 earthquake recorded 29 kilometers west of Petrolina, California. You had a 4.2 earthquake recorded 96 kilometers north of Tashigo, Japan. 2.5 earthquake recorded 40 kilometers west of northwest of Petrolina, California. 3.4 earthquake recorded 71 kilometers south of Oshkosh, Yamon of Dominican Republic. 3.1 earthquake recorded 54 kilometers southwest of Ojal, Puerto Rico. 2.6 earthquake recorded 27 kilometers west of southwest of Stustandia, Alaska. 4.2 earthquake recorded 14 kilometers in Trovovostoby, Russia. 3.2 earthquake recorded 2 kilometers east of southeast of Sabania, Honduras, Puerto Rico. 3.1 earthquake recorded 26 kilometers east of southeast of Scotland, Winter, Alaska. 4.5 earthquake recorded 6 kilometers west of southwest Cardenas, Nicaragua. 4.5 earthquake 4.5 earthquake recorded in the Norwegian Sea. 4.2 earthquake recorded 13 kilometers northeast of Tashigo, Japan. 2.7 earthquake recorded 83 kilometers northeast of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. 3.1 earthquake recorded 29 kilometers southwest of Sky Winter, Alaska. 4.9 earthquake recorded 187 kilometers east and southeast of Tune Station, Alaska. 4.6 earthquake recorded 266 kilometers southeast of Tune Station, Alaska. 5.2 earthquake recorded 103 kilometers north of Tashigo, Japan. 2.9 earthquake recorded 2 kilometers north and northwest of Carrizales, Puerto Rico, if I pronounced that right. 5.1 earthquake recorded 157 kilometers south and southwest of Marengo, Papua New Guinea. 2.9 earthquake recorded 64 kilometers south and southwest Sistania, Kalispell, Puerto Rico. 4.5 earthquake recorded 96 kilometers north of Tashigo, Japan. 5.1 earthquake recorded south of Panama. 2.5 earthquake recorded 3 kilometers south of Iquitos, Puerto Rico. 3.9 earthquake recorded. That was yesterday. So those was the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of June the 29th, 2025 on this Sunday night. This is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3. It says, therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes in the upwards of the world. Right, so that's what we're seeing, increasing earthquakes in the upwards of the world. Definitely earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this This sit-down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of June the 29th, 2025, on this Sunday night. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Ba'akadash, the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'ashem, in the names of Hamashiach, Abishai, those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Bashmakadash tongue. And I say walk thumb to the elders and apostles, Walk and Walk for the next time, say Shalom.